Hey guys, welcome to day 28 of 100 Days of Code. Today we're going to be building a Pomodoro app completely from scratch using Tkinter and the knowledge that we gained from yesterday's lessons. Now, you've already heard me talk about the Pomodoro technique, this famous book by Francesco Cirillo. This famous technique that helps people time manage and to get more stuff done. Now, if you didn't hear me talk about it, this is basically a very simple breakdown. Essentially, you figure out the task that you need to do, something hard, something that takes a while, like writing your next book or coding up a project. And then you want to set your timer to 25 minutes and then work on the task for 25 minutes. And then after that, you take a short 5-minute break. And after you've done 4 of these Pomodoros, basically 4 repetitions, then you get to take a 15 to 30 minute break. So this basically really effectively utilizes the way that our brain works to take short breaks often and to work for 25 minutes at a time, which helps us with information retention and also keeping up the motivation. This is the program that we're going to be building using Tkinter. It's going to be a timer with a tomato on it, and when you click start, it's going to tell you to work for 25 minutes. Then that window can go into the background, and while you're writing your code or doing whatever, when the timer is up, it will pop to the very front of the screen above all of the other windows and tell you to take a break. So the first break is for 5 minutes, and you'll notice here we've already achieved 1 check mark for our first Pomodoro completed. And once you're done with the break, then it's going to go back to work and it's going to continue until you reach the longer break or until you click reset to stop and reset the timer. Effectively, it's going to help you do these Pomodoros where you have 25-minute work, 5-minute break, you do 4 of these 25-minute work sessions, and then you get a 20-minute break. So hopefully, by creating this program, you're going to increase your productivity and you're going to have your own handy tool to help you achieve more and do more. So this is what we're going to be building. Once you're ready, head over to the next lesson and let's get started.